From very little natural light to outdated building systems, North Middle School needs to be updated. Thanks to our community support of the 2016 Capital Bond, Everett Public Schools can move forward with a modernization that will address these issues and provide enhanced technology infrastructure to support student learning. The modernization will include a new classroom building, a larger parking lot with an improved drop-off lane, perimeter fencing, 2 designated bus drop-off zones, as well as upgrades to the track and field. The new 2-story building, which will connect to the existing gym complex, will feature 30 classrooms, specialized areas for each grade level, and several extended learning areas. A new commons area will give students a space to gather and socialize. The center of the school will have a courtyard, which will provide students a connection to nature and outdoor learning opportunities. North Middle School is scheduled to occupy the new building in fall 2019, with full project completion expected in the spring of 2020. For updates and additional information, visit www.everettsd.org.